Hello everyone, welcome to my Filmora 12 and Filmora 11 master class. So in this particular series, you're gonna understand about how can you make professional video in less time from the Filmora 12 or 11. So let's start our course. First of all, you have to open your Filmora and you will see new project option. Whenever you have to create any video, you need to click on new project option. But before we click on it, we must understand about aspect ratio. Now what is aspect ratio? Aspect ratio means resolution of your video. Suppose if your video is horizontal in nature, then you will select 16:9, which is by default here, है ना? But if you want your video should be vertical like in Instagram or in TikTok, then you need to scroll down different resolution, which is 9:16, which is for portrait mode. And if you want much wider resolution, then you can select 21:9. But in this particular video or lecture I will select 16:9 because we need to make video for YouTube. And after clicking on new project, we get these options. First of all, let's talk about its menus. So you can see on the top section, media, stock media, audio, title, transition, effects, stickers and templates. So I will explain it one by one. So let's start. You can see that here is media option. Whenever you will click on media option, you will get this box, and here you have to drop your video clip, images, audio, again video or images, mp3, whatever you want to upload here. You can drag and drop any file here, which could be video file, images or audio. Just you need to double click on here and you can upload any video. You can upload any video like this. And whenever I will play this video, it will display on this right hand side. Okay, and from here you can manage sound. Now let's play this video. So you can see that whenever we play video, it will display on right hand side. In similar manner, you can upload images file here. And also audio file. So basically, clip that you have to edit should be here like this. You can edit this clip in one single place. Now if I will click on stock media, then I will get free 4K video. You can download any free 4K video. This video is 100% copyright free, which means I can use it in my YouTube channel also. Without getting any copyright strike. So you can search any kind of video which you want. Suppose I am searching for gym. So you can use any of this video which is copyright free, which is best part of Filmora 12 and 11 also. And if you click on Giphy, then you will get free memes, and similar for Pixabay. So you don't need to download any of this video from outside of Filmora and drag and drop here. You can download any of this footage in the single place. You can just download and paste below. it has been downloaded. Now I can drop here, and this is our timeline, which I will discuss later. As you can see, it is working fine. Now let's talk about another section, which is for audio. So whenever you will click on audio, you will get many of the free song. You can play it and you can use in your video, and you will not get any copyright strike. So let's download and play anyone. So this is our sound effect. You can see that in audio section we have different kind of sound. Like trending, new, then music and sound effect. Here in this time we are in sound effect. So in sound effect section, suppose I have to use keyboard typing effect, or you can search any of the audio effect. Okay, and if you want to add it in your video, then you can simply drag and drop here, and after that you can play and you can get final preview. In similar manner, you need to go on title. So here you will get many different style of title. So let's try any one of them. So it has been downloaded and it will look like this. As I already told you that this is our preview section. Whenever we will click any of this part, it will preview on this box. So let's preview it. It will look like this. Now if you want to add it in my video, then I will simply drag and drop here, and it is our timeline. Now we need to adjust our text. So I will simply double click on it, and after that I can edit this, and I can edit this. So in the place of title, I would like to write demo, and in essential creators, and यहाँ पे AS. Now if I will play this video, then it will look like professional. Okay, so we have many different style of text. Let's try another text, which is for fire. So simply drag and drop here. Just simply hold and drop here, and now if I will play my video, then after some time it will display my text, and here I can enter any text. Welcome to my channel. And this is very basic video. We will discuss advanced feature later. Okay, now let's talk about transition feature. Transition feature makes our video smooth when we switch one clip to the another clip. So you can see this video. Here we have two video clip. This is first part and this is second part. And if I will play this video, then it will switch very sudden to the next one, which is not looking so smooth. So to make it smoother, we need to add some transition effect between this region. So simply go on transition effect, and here you will get many transition effects. So first of all, you need to download any of them. So let's try dissolve transition. So you have to simply select it, and you have to drop between two video clips. Now let's play this. As you can see, our transition is so smooth. Now let's talk about effects. So this is very broad topic. We will discuss each effect in detail, but you can simply click and drag and drop here. You can see glitch effect. This is how your effect works. You can use black and white also. Just simply you have to drag and drop on your video, and it has been black and white. So we will discuss effect feature in separate video. And similarly, here you can see stickers. And you can use the subscribe button. You have to basically see drag and drop. As you can see, it is working fine. So you can drag and drop any emoji, this cat, subscribe button, finger, and again emoji. You can drop any of these elements. And last but not the least, this is our track section. And in below section, you can see this is our media tab. Whenever you will drag and drop your images or video, it will display here. And this is your audio section. We will discuss each of them later on video. Okay, so thank you for joining my course. Welcome to all of you. In this particular video, we're gonna understand about how can we make professional video by using simple images and stock media using Filmora 11 and Filmora 12. So without wasting any time, let's start our course. First of all, what you have to do, we have to single click in this region inside media. Here you can see drop your video clip, images or audio here. So I will single click here. Now I can select all the images which I want to use in my video. Also, this is my audio file which I want to use in my video as voiceover. So it is pre-recorded audio, so I will select it too. Now I will click on open. As you can see, all files have been added in my Filmora dashboard. Also, I need to use some stock media file which could be 4K video for my gaming video. Okay, so I will select gaming. Now I can download each video. As you can see, it will look like this. Now first of all, I would like to drag and drop some images file here. Some images, some video file. Now finally I have a audio file which is pre-recorded, so I will simply drag and drop it just below of the video. Okay, now if I will play, then you can see this bar is moving towards the right hand side. Now it's time for our intro. So I will go on title and I will select any professional text from here. So this would be good title. It will look like this, as you can see, it is looking so professional. So I will change its text to born to play. This is my intro, basically, born to play games. Now if I will play it, then we can see its preview. It is looking so nice. Now I need to add some extra text for my video. So again I will drop this title sample right here, and now I will change its text to, I will remove it because I don't want it in my video. Now I will edit this text, just copy and paste. I don't want this title, so I have removed it, and we can adjust its size. And R should be in capital. Also we can edit its font. So I will double click on it, and you can see this is our font. So we can change our font. This would be great. And finally you can change its style from here. It will look so clear and nice. Now let's play our video.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about the Roblox error 403 and how to fix it.
So it will look like this. Now I will trim it from here. I have already used stock media. Now I want to use some images. So I will drag and drop this image here, and after that when we will switch from second video to the another one video, it will not look like so smooth. So to make it much smoother, we need to use some transition effect. So we can use this linear effect. So it has been downloaded and it will look like this. So what do we have to do? We have to drag and drop between them. Now if I will play this video, then you can see transition effect is too smooth.
This error code is commonly used for.
It is looking like so professional, but as you can see, this image is still, it is not moving. So we have to add some extra animation here. So what will we do? I will right click on it and go to the crop and zoom section, and here you can change its resolution. So I will select 16:9. Okay, and you can see here pan and zoom option. So I will click here, pan and zoom option. So first of all I will define a starting point, and after that I will define end point, and I will click on apply button. Now if I will play my video, then it will zoom very smoothly.
And many people have reported it on Reddit. In this video, we will be.
Similarly, I want to add some extra images, so I will simply drag and drop here, and I will select its duration. Now again I will add some transition effect. So let's use some different transition effect. Linear 9. It will look like this. So again I will hold it and drop between them. Now we can play this video.
In this video, we will be discussing a popular solution that has worked for many people.
Now again we have to add extra animation here. Then I will again right click and crop and zoom. Now we have to click on pen and zoom, and again we have to define a starting box and end box. Okay, so at this time I want animation should be left to right, so I will select my starting rectangle towards left side and end rectangle towards right side. So what will happen when I will play this image, it will move from left to right.
Discussing a popular solution that has worked for
As you can see, it is looking so professional.
trouble with error 403, then keep watching this video.
Now again, to make my video professional, what I will do, I will add some stock video again. I will add some stock video again. Now we have to use some transition effect again. Now we will use some another transition effect. Let's try this simple fashion transition effect. Let's use dissolve. So again I will drop between them. As you can see, I have pasted my transition effect between two videos. Now if I will play, it will switch to smooth.
First step is clear your cache and
Now at this section I have to add my title, or you can say text for clear your cache. Now I will select this text because this is looking too awesome. Now I will drag and drop here. Now if I will play, now I have to change its text. So I will type clear cache files and cookies. I will again readjust its size, and also I can change its font. I am changing its font. And also I can change its style from here. And I will delete this extra part from the video. Now if I will play it,
cache and cookies. This is because sometimes the
so it is looking so professional.
outdated or
Now again I need a sample 4K video for browser, so I will download any of them. It has been downloaded now. Now I will drag and drop here. Now if I will play, then I have to add some transition effect between them. Now let's play it.
stored in your browser. So you have to clear your cache file. So in order to clear your cache file and cookies, you have to follow some steps.
Now again I will delete this extra part, so I have to click on this scissor button, and it will split my video in two parts. This is first part and this is another second part. Okay, so I have to delete this second part, so I will simply click on it and press delete button. It has been deleted. Now I have to add some extra stock footages, so I will go on download section, which I have downloaded already, and now I can drag and drop this file too.
Cookies,
Again
follow some steps.
again
Just you have to go on browser, open your browser.
again I will use transition effect between them.
You have you have to go on browser.
Now I have to add some extra text.
You have to open your browser. Then you have to go on setting and
You can add any extra text if it is necessary, otherwise it is very fine. Now I have added these two extra images with some animation.
your cache and cookies. Then you have
Now I will simply export this video. It has been ready to use. Now to export this video, I will click on this export button right hand side. Now I will go on setting tab and I will click on higher resolution. If you want a lower resolution, then you can also get lower version of your video, but I want in HD, so I will click on this resolution and hit the apply button, and now I can simply export this video. Roblox. So thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone, in this particular video we will understand title tool. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start our video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open your project file. So I will select image which I am going to use in my video, and also this is my pre-recorded voiceover, so I will select it too. Now I will click on open. As you can see, all files have been updated in my dashboard. Now I will drag it. First of all, I will drag and drop audio file on our timeline, and on the basis of this audio we will arrange our image. So let's use first image. This is our first image and we have to crop it. So in order to crop it, I will click on crop and zoom, and from here you can select 16:9, which is by default ratio 16:9, and I want that it should be start from big rectangle and end to small rectangle. Hit the apply button. Now if I will play this, hello everyone, if you are facing error it will look like this. Now in the same way I will add another images, and after that we will use text. Now let's add crop and zoom animation. I will go on pen and zoom, and this is our animation. Then what you have to do, now we have to use transition effect between these two images. We have to use transition between these two images because we want transition should be smooth. So I will go on transitions and I can download any of them. Let's drag and drop between them and let's play this. Mermod Destiny 2. Then what you have to do, it is looking so professional. 3 files first. Now let's arrange another images. And now I want to add animation again. Crop and zoom, pen, now let's see our video file inside. I want to use transition between them. Let's use this transition effect. Now let's play our video. Hello everyone,
If you are facing error code Mermod Destiny 2, then what
It
you
is
have to do?
looking
You
so
have to
professional.
delete 3 files.
Now it's
First
time
file
to
is
add
catch
our text.
PHR 4x0EF29. You will find this file
So on the basis of audio, I will add
in the
text.
place of D.
Now it's time to add our text. So let's try this. It will look like this. Now what do you have to do? We have to drag and drop it in our timeline, and we can select its duration. So our intro is till 5 seconds, so it should be appear till the 5 seconds too. Now let's play this.
Hello everyone, if you are facing
Now in the place of top 10 we can change another text. Similar, we can change best audio design. Similar, we can change in 2021. So let's change everything. So how to fix here you can add any text which will depend upon your topic.
error code Mermod.
How to fix Mermot error code. This is our title, and it will look like so professional when you will play it. And we can change its location. Here we have to enter our game name, which is Destiny 2. Now if I will play this, it will look like so professional.
Hello everyone, if you are facing error code Mermod Destiny 2, then
here we have to enter another text on the basis of our audio file. So we will use another theme, which is this, and let's type
3 files. First,
on the basis of audio we will type our text. Here you have basically I want to type here you have to delete 3 files. So on the basis of audio I will type it. Okay,
first file is
here
you have to delete 3 files.
Now I will type files, delete 3 files, and we can change its rotation, so it will look like so funky. Now let's play this.
Then what you have to do? You have to delete 3 files. First file is catch.
Now I want to enter which file I want to delete. So let's drag and drop this 3D ice title on timeline. Now if I will play this, then let's see how it will look like.
PHR 4x0
this is our 3D
EF29.
text. So I will copy our file which we want to delete according to our video, and I will double click on it, double click and paste. Now we can adjust its size too. You have to arrange its size, it will not auto arrange. Now let's play this.
PHR 4x0 EF29. You will find this file.
We can change its effect to now. Let's see how it will look like.
PHR 4 times 0 EF29. You will find this file inside.
It is not looking so clear, so I will use another text. Golden ear.
PH
And paste. Okay, it is looking fine.
HR 4 times 0 EF29. You will find this file.
Now we have to enter again another text. So what you have to do, we have to select a desirable text from here. So I will drag and drop here, and now I will paste on it. And again we have to arrange its size. And we can change color of any text. Like if I will select Steam games, then I can change its color.
Inside following locations. In the place of D, it could be different for you.
And if you want to extend its duration, then you can simply drag and drop.
Suppose you have installed your game in E drive, then you have to.
At this time I want that this title should be from here to here, so I will simply drag and drop here. Again we have to enter our text, so I will simply drag and drop here and double click on it and copy and paste our matter. It will look like this. It is so simple. We can change its font from here. We can change its color. We can bold it. We can click on italic. We can change its font too. And finally we can adjust its size.
And you have to delete Steam API 64 and Steam network.
Now I will copy again our matter and simply paste on it. Double click on text, copy and paste. Again we have to arrange its size. This is how you can use text tool. And finally we have to end this video with subscribe button. So I will go on stickers and simply drag and drop subscribe button, and I will select its duration. Now it will look like this.
Then you can subscribe my YouTube gaming channel Born to Play Games for more.
So thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone. In this particular video I am going to show you how can you make text behind the object. video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So for that you have to use any stock media, or you can use your video too. So let's drag and drop this video and let's play it. Now what you have to do, you have to go on effect section. You have to go on effect section, and inside video effect section, basically you have to find video effect. Inside video effect you have to find AI portrait mode, and then you will see human segment section. It will remove it will not remove human, it will remove human's background. Now what you have to do, you have to simply drag and drop on the video, and our background have been removed completely. Now what you have to do, we have to use title, text and title. So I will simply drag and drop my title just below the video, and I will extend its duration to. Now let's side this video so that we can edit our text without interruption. So just click on sports, and I will type creators Yuga you can change its font or style too. Let's arrange this. Now our text is ready. Now I will simply drag and drop our video in timeline again. Now it will look like this, but here you will see in the background there is black color. So what do you have to do, we have to again copy and paste same video parallelly just below the text timeline. You have to paste same video here. Okay, at this timeline you have to paste same video. So just what you have to do, you have to simply drag and drop it like this. Now if you will play, it will look like this. Text behind the object effect is working fine, but here you will see lag. Basically it is not lag, it is lagging because of preview. So let's render this. You have to click on it in order to render, and without exporting your video, if you want to see its preview without lag, then you have to click on it. So just click on it. As you can see, it is rendering, so we have to wait, and after that we will see our final preview. So let's wait. Now rendering process have been completed. Now we can see its final preview. It is looking so professional. This is how you can make text behind the object video very easily. So thank you for watching this video. You can change any text, just delete it, and let's paste another text. Let's use this text. At this time I'm not changing its text, so you can see directly its animation. Let's click on render so that we can watch final preview without exporting it. Now let's play this video. It is looking so professional. This is how you can make text behind the object video very easily. Let's try another thing. And not only text, you can paste any effect. Okay, you can paste any effect like subscribe button. Let's paste our subscribe button and play it. So this is how you can make any professional video using this method. So thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone. In this particular video I am going to show you how can you make professional video by removing background using Filmora 12. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So first of all, you should understand that we have a 3 different way to remove our background in Filmora 12. So let's understand each one by one. So first of all, what do you have to do? I will drag and drop my background. This is our background, which is thunderstorming background, and also I will drag and drop my character. Now I have to remove its background. So we have a 3 different way to remove my background. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to go on effect. I am going to show you first method. You have to go on effect, and inside video effect you have to click on AI portrait mode, and here you will see human segmentation. It is very simple, just you have to drag and drop on your video and your background have been removed completely. This method is working fine, but at some point you will see some mistake. You can get some glitches. So you can use this method to remove your background, but it is not 100% accurate yet. Now I will click Ctrl+Z to undo. Now I will show you second method to remove background. So let's delete extra part. Now I am going to show you second method by which you can remove its background. So you have to click on that video from where you have to remove your background. So I will double click on it, and then inside video section you will see AI tool. Inside video section you will see AI tool. So you have to click on it, and here you have 2 method. First is AI portrait mode and second is smart cutout. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you that smart cutout method is more accurate than the any method. Okay, so first of all, let's try AI portrait. So in order to use it, you have to just enable it and it will remove its background completely. So let's enable it, and our background have been removed from the one single click. But you will see some glitches and some errors. It is not accurate. You can manage its thickness, but it will not look so professional. So let's turn off AI portrait mode. Now I am going to show you best method to remove your background, which is smart cutout. You have to enable it, and you have to click to start smart cutout. Now we have a brush So you can select your object which you do not want to remove. So I don't want to remove our Joker character, so I will click it. It has been selected completely. If you have selected any extra part which you don't want to prevent from the removing, then you can use brush tool too. But in my case, I have selected my object. Now you have to click to start smart cutout. You have to click on it, and it is scanning, and this method is more accurate because this method works frame by frame. This method can take some time depending upon your video length and your video quality. It is going to be finished now, and after that you have to click on save. So let's wait for it. Now I will click on save, and also you can manage its thickness, but in my case I don't want to set its thickness. It is 100% accurate, so I do not want to change it. Click on save, and it is working fine. But here you will see one difference between background and our object, which is lighting. Basically we have to edit our clip in such a way that background and our character will look in same lighting effect. So just click on this video and go on color section, and from here you can change its temperature. So it is looking background is basically a little bit purple, so I will select like this. Now we have to go on curves. You have to enable it, and now you can see that it is looking more natural now. It is looking more natural now. Let's do another thing. If you have done any mistake, then you can simply press Ctrl plus Z together to undo. Let's edit each color for best result. You have to make sure that your character is matching with its background. So it is totally depend upon your creativity and sense of lighting. This is how you can make professional video. Now let's add some thunder effect, which means sound. So go on audio, and from here you have to go on sound effect section, and in search you can type thunder. You can type any effect. Let's type thunder, and let's play this. So I will simply drag and drop in our video. Now I can increase its sound. Just double click on it and you can increase its volume. it is looking so professional now. So thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone, in this particular video I am going to show you how can you make split screen video using Filmora 12 or Filmora 11. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open Filmora and you have to go on template tab, and inside template tab you will see split screen option. Basically we have to use split screen. Okay, so just click on it, and first of all I will show you basic concept of split screen, which is very simple. It is not a rocket science. So let's drag any of them. Let's use this template. So you have to simply drag and drop here, and you can adjust its duration. Let's set it to the 15 second. Okay, and if you will play this, then it will look like this. Now you can see here 1 and 2. You can simply drag and drop your clip in 1 or 2. Your clip could be GIF, images, video, it could be anything. So you have to simply drag and drop here. So in my case I will use stock media. So I will simply drag and drop. I will select first clip and drag and drop on 1. It has been imported successfully, and again I will use second clip like this. It is simply drag and drop feature, and you can adjust its size too. So if you want to adjust its size, then you have to click on it, and from here you can manage its size. I think this would be perfect. Okay, and similarly you can adjust its size too, and you can arrange its center. Now if we will play this, it will look like this. It is looking so professional. So this was the basic concept of split screen. Now we will move forward for the advanced technique. Let's use another template. So let's select this and drag and drop here, and I will expand its duration, and if we will play this, it will look like this. So basically what do you have to do, we have to drag and drop each clip one by one. Okay, so we have to simply drag and drop our clip. So I will go on stock media, and let's select this clip, and finally we can arrange its aspect ratio. Let's arrange this. Now if we will play this, it will look like so professional. So for final preview without lagging, we need to click on this preview button. It will render our full video, and without exporting we can watch final preview. So let's click on it. Now rendering has been completed. Now we can play it, and it is looking so professional now. Let's try another template too. Let's delete it, and I will go on template, and you can use this all split screen template. Basically this was the basic template. This was the basic template, and now we will look forward for advanced template. Here you can see social media, game, vlog, sports, comic, etc. So let's visit one by one. So first of all, I will go on social media, and from here you can see that there are many kind of template. So let's use this. It is looking like Instagram template. So I will use stock media. Let's drag and drop each clip, and we can arrange its size too. Let's adjust its size. This is how you can make a split screen video easily. So basically, inside social media template you have a many kind of professional template. You can use it, you can explore it by yourself. Now let's visit for game, and you can use this template like this. It will look like this. Simply drag and drop our footage. Superhero versus wheelchair man. Let's use another template too. Vlog. You can make professional vlog. First clip. Second clip, and third clip. Let's arrange its size and play it. As I have already told you, you can watch its final preview by clicking on rendering button. Okay. In similar manner, you can use sports, comic style, mockup. Actually, mockup is very interesting. Let me show you one thing. Let's drag and drop this. This is the animation of laptop. So let's drag and drop our media here. Don't forget to manage its location. Template, mockup. Let's use this theme. Mobile, laptop and tablet. So we can export our stock media over here. Basically, it is so simple. Let's play it. So this is how you can make professional video using split screen, and finally you can use end screen. And let me show you how can you use end screen. Let's export it. Here I am going to use my logo, so I will click on it. Let's export and simply drag and drop in 3, and I will manage its size. And in the place of 1 and 2 you can export your thumbnail. Let's play this. It is looking so professional. This is how you can make professional video. Okay, thank you for joining my course. Hello everyone. In this particular video I am going to show you how can you make professional video using speed ramping technique in Filmora 12 or Filmora 11. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, you have to understand that what is speed ramping. So if your video having some part slower and some part faster, then it may called speed ramping. So let's start our video. So first of all, I am going to delete my clip. Now to make this video you need a clip. So I am using stock media for demonstration, and let's play this video first without editing. Okay, now I am going to apply speed ramping on it. So I have to right click on it and you will see speed ramping option. So you have to click on it, and here inside speed ramping you will see we have many different option. First is customize, then montage, hero moment, bullet time, jumper. So with the help of customize we can manage our speed by ourselves. Basically we would have a full control on speed on customize tab. But in montage we have predefined graph. So let's use montage. So I will simply click on it. And now if you will play, some part will look slower and some part will look faster. This is montage. Let's play with hero moment. You can change its graph too. Let's use hero moment. If your point is, if you will drag this point towards the top, speed will increase. And in similar case, if you will drag this point or this node towards the bottom or downside, speed will decrease. This was the basic concept of speed ramping. So we can arrange its speed. Whenever we have to increase our speed, we will drag and drop our node towards the top, and if we will have to decrease our speed at some point, we will drag and drop our node towards the bottom. Very simple. Let's try bullet time. As you can see, here our node is at the bottom, so here speed will decrease. You can see that. Similar for jumper. Here we have node at the top hand side. So what will happen here? Here speed will increase suddenly. So let's play our video. As you can see, it is constant, it is also constant, but here speed will increase suddenly. So I think you have understand the concept of speed ramping. Let's try flash in. Flash out. And also you can add extra node here. So if you want to add extra node here, then you have to click on it and click on plus button to add the node. And for increasing speed at this point, if you want to increase its speed at this point, you have to drag towards the top. And in similar manner, if you want to decrease its speed over here, then you have to drag and drop towards the bottom. So let's play our video. Speed have been decreased, but if I will drag and drop towards the top, then speed will increase suddenly. Okay. Now let's click on reset button. So we have understand our predefined speed ramping template, but we can also customize it by ourselves. So for customize, you have to click on customize, and this is our timeline. And here you can see we have 4 node, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So our video clip will start from here, and this is our timeline. So as I have already told you that we can add extra node by clicking on plus button. So let's play our video. Here I want to, at this point, I want to increase its speed, and also I want to add a new point. So I will click on plus button. My new point have been added here. Now I will drag and drop towards the top. Now speed will increase suddenly. Now at this point I want video will become slow motion. So here I will again add plus button and drag towards the bottom. Now at this point video will be slower. As you can see, speed ramping technique is working very fine. So this is how you can make speed ramping video. Let's use another clip. So I will drag and drop this video, and let's play this without editing. Now we will add speed ramping. So I will click on speed ramping, and I want to customize its speed. So I will click on customize. Now let's play this video, and whenever we have to add increase in speed, we can add it, and in similar for decrement. So let's play this video. Here I want that speed should be decreased. Now let's play our video. Speed have been decreased successfully, and here I want sudden increment in speed. So I will increase it very suddenly. Now let's click on rendering so that we can watch its final preview without exporting our video. Let's play this. So this is how you can make professional video using speed ramping technique. So thank you for joining my course. Hello everyone. In this particular video we will understand how can we make motion tracking video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So for that you need a one clip. one video clip in which you have to track motion, and you can replace anything with any image, GIF or emoji. So let's replace Brock Lesnar's face. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on that video and you have to click on this motion tracking emoji, icon. You have to click on that icon. This icon stands for motion tracking, and after that here you can see a small box. So you have to adjust its size. Basically, if we have to track Brock Lesnar head motion, then we have to select his head. Now we have selected Brock Lesnar's face. Now we will click on start motion track, and it will take some time, and it is tracking Brock Lesnar's face. And after that we can replace his face with any images, GIF or videos. Now here you will see link element option. Now our tracking process have been completed. If we will play this, then you can see this small box is tracking his motion. So to add images or PNG, you have to click on link element, just click on it, and you can also add some blur effect, like add like this effect. But here we do not want to add blur effect. We will click on it. I have pre-downloaded this PNG image, and this image will replace Brock Lesnar's head. So let's import it our timeline. Click on link elements and click on import from computer. Now I will select it. Now if we will play this, then you can see this face is much more larger than body. So we can arrange its size. And let's play this. As you can see, tracking process, motion tracking is working fine. Now let's render this for a smooth playback experience. Motion tracking is working fine. You can make funny video with this, and also in the place of head, you can also use any text, any GIF, any video. So you can explore your creativity by doing this method. So thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone. In this particular video I am going to show you how can you make professional video by using template. So first of all, you have to understand what is template. So template is predefined structure of your video. So I will show you what is predefined structure of your video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So first of all, let me show you what is predefined structure of your video. So if you will see this timeline, we have different structure. This timeline is stand for text and effect and filters. Similarly, this timeline stands for your video clip or images. So if you will mix all of this thing, it will make structure of your video. So in normal case, what you have to do, you have to apply each effect and transition and text one by one. But if you will use predefined template, you don't have to apply each thing from the beginning. You just have to replace text, effects, transition and your video clip from the original one. Okay, so first of all, let's play this clip. So at the beginning, you can see that travel slideshow, so you can change it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Now let's play this. Now at the second clip, we have to replace with it our video. So I will use stock media. So to replace it, you have to press Alt button on your keyboard and select and drag and drop on this clip. It will automatically replace your clip. Don't forget to press Alt button while dragging your clip. So I have replaced approx 4 files. Now let's play this. It is working fine. Let's change this clip. So I'm going to use this clip. So just press Alt button on your keyboard and drag and drop on your video timeline. It has been replaced automatically. Similarly, let's replace each clip. It will save your time. Otherwise, you have to apply each thing one by one, which is more time consuming. So if you have less time, then you can edit your video with this method easily. And final preview will look so professional. Now let's play our video, but before we play, we should click on rendering button. Because it will provide us a smooth playback experience. If you will not click on it, it will show you lagging experience. So for smooth playback, don't forget to click on it. Now let's play our video. Welcome to my channel, and it is looking so professional. And here also you can change your text. So just minimize it and double click on it. You can change welcome to my vlog. Indian YouTuber. Here we can type day 1,